Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, recently Government of Canada has announced a major change about electronic travel authorization where they have included known citizens from 13 countries to apply an ETA. So this is what we are going to walk through in this video. So make sure you watch it till the end. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened ETA website for Canada. If you scroll down, you have option to apply for an ETA. I click. It tells you what exactly you need. You need to click one more. Do you have a passport issued by France? If you select yes, they will give you instructions specific to French passport holders. If you select no, they will give you instructions about um, other countries' passports. And there are instructions in the PDF format in multiple languages that you can take a look at. And then you have a link apply to the ETA. The next question it asks, what travel document you plan to use to travel to Canada? I select passport ordinary. Select the code that matches one of your passport. Okay. So now we know that 13 more countries have been allowed, known residents, of course, known citizens. So I'm gonna select one of those. So I'll select Thailand. Okay. But you need to do based on what is your case. So let's say you are a citizen of Thailand. I select Thailand. Are you lawful permanent citizen of USA? Means are you a green card holder? I select no. What is the nationality noted on this passport? I select Thailand again. Oh, I'm sorry. Come on. Oh, okay, yeah, Thailand. Finally fixed. Are you traveling to Canada by air? I select yes. In past years, did you, okay, if you remember, there were two criteria, right? If you have a valid Canadian temporary resident within past 10 years, or uh, if you currently have a US non-immigrant visa. So for Canadian, I select no. Now it will ask me about USA visa. Currently hold a valid USA non-immigrant visa. I'll select no, then it will not allow me. Okay, then you need a visa. This is what I wanted to show you. But let's say if you are a citizen of Thailand coming to Canada by air and you do have a USA visa. So if you change this answer to yes, yeah, now you have more options. You fill the information, then it will go take you to the next page where you fill your further information, and from there it will take you to the payment site, and from there you can pay and get it. Of course, you're going to need your passport, email address, and some other things that they were asked earlier. So in this way you can navigate through this. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a like and subscribe, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.